represent the workers on our calls helping us design the study. They may not get into some of the nitty-gritty discussions of results, but they're invited to when we're talking about planning the study. And then there's also worker communication of results at the end. And it's something that we've been able to implement across studies for a long time. And it's been very successful. Also, when you have to go back to a population and you want to do additional research, they know who you are.
Yes.
And they have a level of trust because they've encountered you before.
Yes, yes, I think that's an excellent point. We had a participant in our workshop last year who was here from Canada, and she said every grant that's submitted for funding to the Canadian government has to have a plan for dissemination once the project is done, right? Which is not something that's required of our grants through NIH. And I don't know if maybe CDC has this requirement or not, but Anna shaking her in the head no.
Wish they did.
Yes.
It's specific to NIOSH, which is part of CDC, but it's actually part of our mandate that we have these requirements.
Yeah, so I think that's definitely very important. And, you know, getting back to this idea of Twitter, sharing with each other, I think is also really important because it helps us work in silos less. So if I know, you know, that William's working on omics as well, and it's something that we can partner on, then we can leverage each other's data or resources or whatnot, right? As opposed to having to NIH, I mean, ideally we both want NIH to fund us, but but maybe, you know, together so that we could do something bigger. And if you put your paper on Twitter, it's downloaded 7 times more than if you are, if it's just on the journal's website. So that's an added incentive to put your research on Twitter. Okay.